In Maya, navigation is done using the Alt button. If you Alt middle click, you pan. Alt left click, you orbit. Alt right click, you zoom. You can also zoom using your scroll wheel, or if you press Ctrl Alt at the same time and drag across the screen, you use your zoom tool as in any photo viewing software. And if you use and drag left click, you zoom out, and if you right click, then you zoom in. While orbiting, you can also press shift and let go at any point to lock your orbit's axis around one axis that you're looking or dragging towards. In Max, navigation is done using the middle click. If you middle click, you pan. If you Alt middle click, you orbit. And if you Control Alt middle click, you zoom. You can also zoom using your scroll wheel. And just as in Maya, when you're orbiting and you press shift at the same time, it will lock onto an axis that you move your mouse on. In Blender, you pan using shift middle click, rotate by just middle clicking, and zoom while control middle clicking. You can also use your scroll wheel. If you by accident press Alt middle click and drag, you rotate your orthographic views.